Here I have VIVO Y93 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find and select the settings. Then scroll down and here let's choose language and input. From the following list, let's choose languages at the top of the list. And here you can use one of the following languages. So this is the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. So in my case, let me select, for example, Espanol. And as you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. Now if you would like to go back to the English version, just choose Ajustes. Let's scroll down. Here you need to find and select Idioma y Entrada, type Idioma again and let's choose English. Right here. Alright. So now your device is back in English. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.